Hello! It's Friday, and today we are thinking about the wetland habitats and rainforest habitats. Those two habitats are very different. So first we're going to travel to the wetlands. I have my airplane. Do you have your things packed and ready to go? All right, here we go. So we were here in the mountains of America, in the mountains of Asia over here. And we're gonna go to the wetlands, which is here in this part of our country. Here we go from the mountains to the wetlands. We made it! Our airplane landed. Here we are. Do you see how beautiful the wetlands are? They're different, aren't they? There's a lot of water. The grass and the trees, they look different than they are here in Utah. People get around in boats. A lot of people don't really live in the wetlands because it would be hard to live that way in the water all the time. It looks a lot like the movie Princess and the Frog. Have you seen that movie with Princess Tiana, where she has to kiss a frog and then she actually turns into a frog? Well, it's kind of a swampy area that has a lot of water. There are different kinds of frogs. There are toads and salamanders. A lot of bugs like mosquitoes and fireflies and dragonflies and just like tons of different kinds of bugs that live there. And a lot of fish, and a lot of birds. Birds love the wetlands. Why do you think the birds love the wetlands? It's because they can find food there really easily. Birds love to eat bugs and little fish. There's some snakes, alligators. Oh yeah, watch out for the alligators and crocodiles. Because it's so wet, not a lot of animals can live there. As far as the plants go, only a few kind of trees that are able to grow here in the wetlands. Those trees are called cypress trees. Do you see how the roots kind of grow above the water? I think they look really cool. And there are lily pads that frogs like to live on or hop on. There are broadleaf cattail plants that are like tall grasses. And there are lots of reeds and bulrushes. Do you think you'd like to live in the wetlands? Maybe? It's sight word time. We're going to be looking at another sight word for today. The word that we're looking for today is the. So in our book, we're gonna find the word the, T-H-E. Looks like this. I'm gonna write it on this paper. Lowercase t, T-H-E. This says the. The store is full of people. I like to go to the beach. Are you hearing the word the? Well, this book talks about where animals live. So when I read it and you hear the word the, I want you to help me circle it in your book. And you can either raise your hand or clap your hands or pat your belly so that I know and your mom and dad know that you're hearing the word the. Okay, here we go. Our book starts by saying, where do animals live? Did you hear the in that? Where do animals live? Nope, there's no the to circle on that page. Okay, we're gonna open it and fold this part so it stays open. This says, animals live in the woods. Do you see that? The, T-H-E. What am I gonna do? You're right, I'm gonna circle it. Okay, we're gonna go to this page. Animals live on the farm. Did you hear it? Yep, let's circle it. All right, next page. Animals live in the desert. Oh, there's that word again, the, T-H-E. Animals live in the pond, the, T-H-E. Circle it, please. Okay, next page. I'm gonna fold this over so it can stay open for us. Animals live in the, there it is again, the rainforest. Circle that. Animals live in the sea. You're right, the, you found it. Okay, last page. Let's see if there's a word the. Listen carefully. Where else do animals live? Well, there's no the in that sentence. Let's try this one. Animals live with me. Is there any the in that page? Nope, no the. But on the back, we're gonna write our name. Did you write your name on the back? Okay. Now we're gonna find 3 pages in our book that we like to color the best. Ooh, what 3 are you gonna choose? Ooh, let's see. Ooh, I like this desert one. I'm gonna start with the desert one. You pick 3 of your favorites to color. Okay, good job. Thanks for helping me with our story today.
Remember, stop and go. The octagon shape. Will you play with me? Okay. Stand up. Get somewhere. Let's see what you can do. This is the stop. Are you ready? We're going to tiptoe. Go. Stop. I think I saw you moving. No moving. Freeze. Go. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Stop. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Stop. Oh, you're almost here. Go. Stop. Oh, good job. Okay, go back, go back, go back. Go on. Okay, this time we're going to take giant steps, like a dinosaur. You ready? Big steps, big steps, big stop. Big, big stomp, stomp, stop. Big step. Big, 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 big step. Big, big, big step. One more. One more time. See if you can get here. Ha ha. Okay, go back, go back, go back. This time, you have to walk like a zombie. Get those arms out there. Here you go, zombies. Zombie walking. Stop. Zombie walking. Stop. Zombie walking. I'm going to get you. Stop. Zombie walking. Zombie walking. Stop. Hey, it's been fun to play with you today. We hope you have a great day. Whatever you're doing, be careful and have some fun. And remember this, Miss Lonnie and Miss Jackie love you. Ha ha.
What did you think of the wetlands? Pretty cool, huh? I don't really like alligators or crocodiles, but I think that there's some pretty places. Okay, we're back in our airplane. We're gonna leave the wetlands and we're gonna head to the rainforest. We're going to fly from this area in America to the rainforest. Here we go. Okay, here we are. In this part of our Earth, of our world, it's warmer. There are so many different animals in the rainforest. I thought I would read us a story. It's called Going to the Rainforest. This is a toucan. It's a really cool bird with a really large beak. Huh. Let's see what the book says. Do you see this frog hiding in there? He's peeking at you. He's saying hello. He peeks at you. He's peeking at you. He's a red-eyed tree frog. He sits in the leaves and he climbs on trees. Rainforests are teeming with life. Do you see these macaws? They're home to more than half of the world's animals. These macaws are native to the forests of Central and South America. Rainforests have very high yearly rainfall. It rains a lot in the rainforest. They are usually very warm and wet places. Ooh. Orangutans live in the oldest rainforests in the world, on the Southeast Asian islands of Borneo and Sumatra. The Indonesian name orange hutan literally means people of the forest. Orangutans spend more time in the trees than any other of the great apes. Look how cute he is. Do you like monkeys? Can you make a monkey noise? The emperor tamarin lives in groups in the rainforests of South America. This one is just a baby. Adult emperor tamarins have a long white mustache. How funny, a monkey with a mustache. Tarsiers eat insects. They jump from tree to tree in the Southeast Asian rainforests where they live and can catch prey even when it is moving. Tarsiers have very long fingers and legs. They can climb trees within a day of being born. Can you climb a tree if you were just barely born? I know I couldn't. I bet you know what that is. This is a three-toed sloth. They live in the rainforests of Central and South America. They spend almost all their time in trees. Their large curved claws help them grip the branches. Whoa, cool. Lemurs. Lemurs are native to the island of Madagascar and live both in rainforests and dry inland areas. There are many different types of lemur. Some can leap up to 30 feet from tree to tree. They will land upright with both their hands and feet gripping the tree branch. Oh, see how far he's jumping? It's almost like he's flying. The southern cassowary belongs to an ancient family of flightless birds that includes the emu and the ostrich. They can't fly. They search for fruit and fungi, which are like mushrooms, on the rainforest floor. Much of their natural habitat has been cleared, and there are now only about 1,500 living in the world. Oh no. People chop down the trees where they live, and now they can't find a home. Cassowaries can be dangerous as they have a long, sharp spike on their inner toe. Whoa. Kind of like a velociraptor dinosaur. This is a toucan. You saw him on the front, huh? Look how beautiful their beak is. Toucans roost together in holes in trees, which can become very cramped. To save space, toucans will tuck their bills and their tails under their bodies. Toucan wings are small, as they only need to fly short distances between the trees in the Central and South American rainforests, where they live. Oh, they don't fly very much. Huh. Probably because their beaks are so heavy. It'd be hard to fly with a heavy beak like that. Look how cute. The red-eyed tree frog lives in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. It flashes its bright red eyes to startle predators such as birds or snakes. That's why it has red eyes, to scare other animals away from him. Monkey frogs live in the rainforests of South America. Their long fingers allow them to grasp branches and to climb trees in the same way that monkeys climb. That's why they're called a monkey frog. How silly is that? Iguanas are found in tropical areas of Central and South America and the Caribbean. Iguanas are a type of lizard. Iguanas have excellent eyesight, which they use to navigate through crowded rainforests. Probably use it for hunting. This is a green python. I saw one of these at a zoo once. They are so cool. Green pythons are found in Australia and New Guinea and spend most of their time curled around tree branches. They are well camouflaged among the rainforest leaves. These snakes are not venomous, but they do have very long front teeth, which they use to hold their prey. Huh. So they're not poisonous, but they do have teeth to use to hold like little rats or mice that they catch. Oh, look at that. Remember in the movie Jungle Book? We saw some of these animals, didn't we? That's a really good movie. And they're in the rainforest. Sumatran tigers are native to the Indonesian islands of Sumatra. Tiger stripes allow them to blend into the shadows of the trees as they sneak upon their prey. Their stripes help them be camouflaged in the rainforest, so they can be sneaky. Whoa, that's a jaguar. Jaguars live in many different habitats, but prefer the dense rainforests of the Amazon and in South America. Spots help them camouflage in the trees, and their strong, stocky build allows them to climb. They're really strong and can climb up trees. Helps them to run and to swim too. The jaguar has the most powerful bite of all the big cats. A really powerful bite. Watch out for jaguars. Whoa, this is beautiful. This is the blue morpho butterfly. It lives in Central and South America and usually feeds on rotting fruit and leaves on rotting fruit. Males live near the ground and females live up in the trees, in the tree canopy. Huh. That means the daddies live on the ground and the mommies live in the trees. They're beautiful. What color are they? Blue. Blue morpho butterfly. Wow, and that's just some of the animals that live in the rainforest. Do you know what letter this is? You're right, it's letter M. M makes the sound mmm, like monkey and marshmallow. M goes up and down and up and down. If I turn it this way, what letter does it change to? You're right, a W. Kind of looks like a W. But this is letter M because these legs of the M are pointing down. It's like he's standing up, right? Instead of this way where it looks like he's doing a handstand and he's upside down. So this is letter M. M. Uppercase M, lowercase m. What sound does M make again? Let's turn it over and see if we're right. Oh, do you see this little mouse? Oh, he's hiding in a hole in the house. Mouse starts with the sound. Let's see what's on the back of this picture. Monkey, like our magic monkey. Magic and monkey and mouse start with what letter? Letter M. Good job. We started talking about habitats that are the wetlands and rainforests. Remember, rainforests have lots of trees and bushes, and it's pretty warm there. It never snows, and that's where monkeys live. So the first side of our paper is going to be monkeys, because we talked about rainforests. Monkeys love to live in rainforests. The other side, this side, is the wetlands. It's kind of like a swamp. But first we're gonna start with this side. So go back to your monkey side. And what do you think we're gonna do on this side? You're right, we're gonna find letter M. So here's letter M over here. Remember, uppercase M looks like this. Has a line that comes down on this side, and then it has one that goes zigzag, up and down, and then down again. Remember, M looks this way. Its legs are pointing down this way, not pointing up. If they're pointing up, what letter is that? You're right, it's a W. We're not doing W's, we're doing M's. So I'm gonna trace my M's. I'm just gonna follow these, uppercase and lowercase m. M makes the sound for monkey or magic monkey. This word right here says monkey. All right, here I go. I'm gonna find uppercase and lowercase. Oh, here's an M. Is this an M? No. Is this an M? No.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock.
Okay, good job. Don't let this one trick you. This is a W, not an M. Don't let it trick you. I'm gonna write my name up here at the top. I'm gonna choose a different color. Can you write your name too? Remember, I start with uppercase, then the rest of my name is lowercase. Good job. I'm gonna color my monkeys, then I'm gonna trace my M's. See these uppercase M's and lowercase M's? Okay, let's color our monkeys, and then we'll do this part. Don't do this side yet, because we need to do it together. Wait to do this side. All right, let's do this over here first.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory.
Lowercase m is a little line down and two rainbows. Rainbow, rainbow. Line down, rainbow, rainbow. Upside down, rainbow, rainbow. Good job. Okay, over here we're thinking of pictures that start with the sound for letter M. So here's my M's right here. And I'm thinking of the sound they make. Okay, this is a moon. Does moon start with a sound? Yes, it does, so I'm gonna color it. And I'm gonna circle it. Moon. What about monster? Monster, is that a sound? Yes, it is. Monster. And I'm gonna circle it. What about mustache? Mustache. You're right, that's a sound. I'm gonna circle my mustache. It's already colored in, so I don't need to color it. How about mountains? Mountains, yeah. Mountains starts with M. I'm gonna circle it. How about money? This is a bag of money. Money. Yeah, you're right. Money starts with the letter M. That's what this little money sign means. It says money. These are music notes. Music. Does music start with M? Music. Monkey. Yeah. So I circle that one. Okay, good job. Next, I'm going to see these these bananas that came with this paper. I'm gonna cut them out and glue them on the letters that are not M. The monkeys don't wanna see the other letters. They only wanna see the letter M. So here I go, I'm gonna cut these out. Let's see, here's an M. Am I gonna cover that with a banana? No. What about an X? Am I gonna cover that with a banana? Yeah. So I'm gonna cover that one up. The monkeys don't wanna see it. Yay! Okay, we're gonna turn our paper over. So on this side, maybe you wanna take a break and then come back and do this side. We're gonna color this as the water. We're gonna color the water blue so that we know this is water. All right, here we go. Do big wiggles because it's a lot of water that we're coloring. A lot of the animals that live in the wetlands, they live in the water. That's why we needed a lot of water. Here we go. Okay, now I'm gonna color the lily pads, the frog who's peeking up out of the water, and the flowers. Do you see these moths and butterflies up here? How many butterflies do we see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you count 6? Good job. Okay, the next part is we're gonna cut out the papers that go with this side. So here's what they look like. So we're gonna cut these apart and then we're gonna glue them on our paper. Okay, good job.